Okay, so we made it to Dubrovnik, Croatia. Travel day today. So we didn't film a whole lot. We tried to, but it was
a full day.
It was a full day.
We had 3 flights.
3 flights, 3 airports: Barcelona to Amsterdam, to Zagreb,
and then Zagreb to Dubrovnik.
And it's chilly. It's not as cold as it was in Spain.
It's not too bad though. They give you blankets here at each of the stops. So we got our beer.
We got craft beer.
Beer, blankets, some not a bad view behind us here. So we're gonna tour the town tomorrow and bring that to you. But it's gonna be a quick trip. We're only here, 2
nights.
days. Yeah.
2 days, 2 nights.
2 days, 2 nights. Okay, so we are down here at the marina. It's a beautiful day. It's sunny, a little bit of clouds, but boy, it's cold.
It's cold and windy. Yeah.
Very windy.
But there's no people.
Major bonus going here. I've been here both times. I've been here in the off season and I've been here in the on season, coming in on a cruise ship. And let me tell you, come on the off season, just dress warm because you do not fight the crowds and you can go wherever you want, and it's so nice and quiet. And you'll see that in the videos that we're showing you. So yeah.
Good times. Oh, sure.
Dubrovnik Beer Factory.
Yeah, craft beer right here in the middle of Old Town.
Got to check out the craft beer. So got a stout.
They're at the IPA.
So Pretty cool.
We'll try it, see how it tastes.
Yeah.
We're happy.
So one little tip when you're visiting Dubrovnik is get outside of the city walls, the old town, and wander to just down, you don't have to go far, from both sides of the wall. We found some of the most spectacular views, totally free, you don't pay to get in. I know that they have a cable car ride that you can go up to top and get a beautiful view overseeing. But if you don't have time for that, just wander around a little bit and find these lookouts.
Come and sit against the wall.
Yeah.
Against the seashore.
It's cold right now, but honestly, right here,
It's warm.
it is really warm. So, and we're right on the water.
Yeah, it's great.
Beautiful. We are at the bus station, heading off to our next location.
Very excited.
Yeah. One tip that we would give you is when you are coming to either the bus station or from the airport into Dubrovnik is use Uber. If you do have an Uber app, it's definitely a lot cheaper. And
It's about half price.
Yeah, it is about half price really. So something to think about.
Yeah, one other thing I like to point out, about Croatia, we were only here for 2 days, but we got 10, 15 different conversations with just people that just wanted to talk.
People are so
they're
kind,
so super
so
friendly,
nice.
and
Yeah.
it's not a surprise. It was just something that we didn't expect to have happen.
Yeah.
But people very friendly. Croatia, we're sorry to leave, but we will be back.
We will be back at the
September.
Yeah.
Late September next
22,
year we'll be
yeah.
back. So you got something to look forward to.
All right, so be sure and subscribe and ring the bell so you know where our next location is.
Cheers.